Hey my babies, welcome back to another video. You already know what time it is. Today we're going to be unboxing April's 2020 Spring Edit Box, which is going to be featuring Suave and Dove. Now let's see what goodies we have inside, okay? So here is a quick sneak peek and I'm already excited. Looks like I'm going to love this box already, box full of goodies. First up, we have this Suave natural shea butter and pure coconut oil leave-in conditioner. This will give your hair a boost of protection with a creamy leave-in that's formulated to smooth, moisturize, and straighten your curls while styling. Now, who doesn't love a good leave-in conditioner? I am so excited to use this. It's very lightweight and it smells so good. Okay, now next we have the Suave natural shea butter and pure coconut oil cream detangler spray. Now this product is really gonna come in handy for me because baby, during this coronavirus, I've been neglecting my hair and this is gonna really give my hair the TLC that it needs when I have to detangle my hair. So I am super duper excited about this product. Next up, we have the Suave Natural Shea Butter and Pure Coconut Oil Serum Gel. Now, I really don't use too many gels other than Eco Styler Gel, but I'm excited to try this gel because it says that it molds and defines your curls perfectly into place. Use it on damp hair and dry hair with a diffuser for best results. Okay, now we on to Dove, baby. And first up, we have the Dove Care Between Washes line. And this is going to be the Restyling Milk. This anti-frizz spray helps reshape and retexturize flat curls in between those wash days. Apply it to your hands first, then scrunch throughout your hair. Last but not least, we have the Dove Care Between Washes Rehydrating Mist. This weightless formula helps you refresh and redefine your curls in the mornings with strengthening vitamin E and silkening amino acids. I can't wait to try these Dove products. And there you have it, my babies. We are at the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed another Curlbox unboxing video from your girl featuring Suave and Dove, okay? Today, I really enjoyed this unboxing video and I am so excited to try these products. These Suave products smell so good and I'm so excited to try these two Dove products as well. So good job this month, Curlbox. Okay, my babies, if you hit that subscribe button on the way in, thank you. If not, make sure you hit that subscribe button on the way out so you won't miss any of my new videos to come. Okay, baby, until next time, stay tuned.